Good morning. This is Harshit, your tech host for today. With all that is new in this emerging tech world, Google is extending the availability of its Dark Web report feature to Google One subscribers in India. Following its launch in the US back in March, the Dark Web, known for its role in facilitating illicit activities and maintaining user anonymity, has prompted concerns about personal data security. This report feature enables users to monitor their personal information within the hidden realms of the internet. Previously, Google One was exclusively accessible to premium 2 TB plan subscribers, but it's now open to all users in the US. The dark web is a haven for cybercriminals engaging in activities like selling sensitive personal data. With the dark web report, Google aims to notify users in case their personal information surfaces on these hidden platforms. Such notifications empower users to take necessary precautions against potential identity theft and financial fraud. The International Cricket Council (ICC), together with official fintech infrastructure partner and leading real-time global payments platform NIAM, invited all cricket-loving technologists to revolutionize the sport through cutting-edge innovation as part of the second edition of the Next In Hackathon. The Next In Hackathon is a unique platform that brings together technologists from around the world who share a passion for cricket. The second edition promises to be bigger and better, offering participants the chance to showcase their skills, collaborate with like-minded individuals, and contribute to the evolution of cricket in a digital age, culminating in the hackathon final in India in early November during the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup. Through this platform, technologists will have the opportunity to develop innovative solutions that can elevate high-performance training, enhance fan engagement, and encourage mass participation in the sport. Fortinet, the global cybersecurity leader driving the convergence of networking and security, announced the latest semi-annual global threat landscape report from FortiGuard Labs. In the first half of 2023, FortiGuard Labs observed a decline in organizations detecting ransomware, significant activity among advanced persistent threat (APT) groups, a shift in MITRE attack techniques used by attackers, and much more. In addition to the highlights below, readers can find the full analysis by reading the 1H 2023 Global Threat Landscape Report. While organizations continue to find themselves in a reactive position due to the growing sophistication of malicious actors and the escalation of targeted attacks, ongoing analysis of the threat landscape in the 1H 2023 Global Threat Landscape Report helps provide valuable intelligence that can serve as an early warning system of potential threat activity and help security leaders prioritize their security strategy and patching efforts. Speculations regarding the Xiaomi 14 and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, numerous leaks have surfaced diverging details about both the smartphone and the chipset. A recent report even asserts that the Xiaomi 14 series will mark the debut of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. In October, Qualcomm plans to unveil its next-gen flagship chipset at the Snapdragon Summit 2023. Shortly thereafter, Xiaomi will introduce the new MIUI 15 operating on Android 14, shedding light on the Xiaomi 14 series. This event will serve as a preliminary announcement for Xiaomi's forthcoming flagship. The official launch of the Xiaomi 14 is slated for November, with the device being pre-installed with the stable version of MIUI 15. The timing of this report aligns with the launch schedules of both companies. Given Apple's September iPhone launch, October appears well suited for the chipset unveiling. Subsequently, the Xiaomi 14 is scheduled for November release, followed by a flurry of smartphone launches from other brands like Vivo, Oppo, and ZTE. Next up, we have the imminent launch of the Realme GT 5 in China, set to occur in the upcoming days of this month, has been widely anticipated. Prior reports have already unveiled the smartphone's essential specifications. Recent leaks, including a render and images from Tana, have exposed the device's rare design. Now, a fresh render has emerged on Weibo, courtesy of reliable tipster digital chat station, revealing the phone's front design with remarkable clarity. The leaked image provides a glimpse of the Realme GT 5 punch hole display flanked by ultra-thin bezels. Upon closer inspection, the bottom of the device showcases a SIM slot, a microphone, a USB-C port, and the speaker grill. Samsung has recently extended the reach of the One UI 6 beta for the Galaxy S23 series to more countries. Additionally, a new dedicated section for the One UI 6 beta has been introduced on the company's community forum specifically for the Galaxy S22 series. This move can be interpreted as a preview for the upcoming beta initiative aimed at Galaxy S22 users. Anticipation is building for the One UI 6 Plus Android 14 beta program to commence in the upcoming weeks for the Galaxy S22 lineup. While the dedicated section is presently accessible only to users in the UK and India, it is anticipated that the beta program will eventually encompass countries like China, South Korea, Germany, and the US. This expansion follows a similar trajectory to the Galaxy S23 One UI 6 beta program. At last, prominent AI expert urges caution in face of AI arms race and potential slaughter bot scenario. Prominent figures in the field of AI technology are increasingly sounding alarms worldwide. The latest voice of concerns is Jan Tallinn, the founder of two institutions, the Cambridge Center for the Study of Existential Risk and the Future of Life Institute, dedicated to analyzing and minimizing the risk associated with the rapid advancement of AI technology. In a recent interview, Tallinn offered his perspective on what he perceives as a significant threat to humanity if leaders in the AI industry fail to heed the warnings. A co-founder of Skype, Jan Tallinn, has issued a cautionary statement about the potential future risk of stepping outdoors, fearing the prospect of encountering swarms of slaughter bots. Thanks for tuning in. This is Harshit signing off. Subscribe to IT Voice for all things tech, from gadget reviews to industry insights and latest tech news.